My name's Craig K. Spear, and I'm from the U.S.
Tell me when you decided to come to Prague. How long have you been here?
I've been here about just over 2 months. I decided to make the move here last summer. I wanted a complete lifestyle change. This is going to be a permanent move for me. I originally came here in 1990 and just fell in love with the city, and it's just taken me 20 years to get back over here.
But when you came here, you had an idea what are you going to do here?
Yes, I'm a men's hairstylist. My whole family does hair, and when I decided to come here, I looked on a website called expats.cz, and if you're visiting or living here, everybody uses this site. All the information is on there. And I looked up English-speaking hair salons, so I was able to get a job with Head here. I just emailed to get information if it was even possible as an American to come over here and work, and Jonathan, the British guy that owns the salon, offered me a job.
And how do you think, is it hard to find a job here for foreigner in Prague?
I'm sure it depends on where you're coming from and what you do. There seems to be a lot of English teachers in that here, and for me, it works out good because there's lots of English speakers living in the city, but there's very few English-speaking hairstylists. So I kind of have a niche market, although I do intend to learn Czech, and hopefully we'll get Czech clients as well.
In your opinion, what are advantages of Prague?
The advantages? It's a very safe city. It's the most beautiful city I've ever visited. I live close by here, but when I walk across the bridge, crossing the river to look, I have to stop every time. The view of the castle and the buildings, it's just an incredible city.
And disadvantages?
The disadvantages, I need to learn the language. Most people speak English, but sometimes it could be a little limited, or I have more of a southern accent and they're not used to that. Even one of my roommates can't quite understand what I'm saying. Being from the South in the U.S., I'm not used to winters, so that's something I'm going to have to get used to.
And what about documents and all the bureaucracy here?
It's probably easier to move here for me than it would be a Czech to move to the U.S. But I hired an agency to do that were referred to me, and on my own I couldn't have done it.
How would you invite your friends to stay here?
I've already had 3 visit me, and I have several more planning on coming, and everyone you talk to just has nothing but praises about the city.
So it's a good place to live.
Oh, it's incredible. Like I said, this is a permanent move for me. This is my home now.